Okay, racer here. Chasing a driveline vibration in the 59 BelAir. The big block in there, just a wee little vibration. I suspect this here U-joint. So we're going to change it out. Got the Harbor Freight press in there. And this one, need to take the little outside clips off. Get in there, maybe give it a little persuasion. Flip her over. Get the other side. Oops. And I usually like to take a grease zerk out because it can kind of get in the way. And that guy's bent. Never noticed that before. I wonder what that ran into. And again, with power tools, we got the bore in here that we're going to press that joint into. Kind of center her up on the bore over here. Give her some hammering. Comes out just that easy on this girl. One thing you look for is, wipe that off for you. On the journal here, get up where maybe you can see it, is denting, also known as Brunelling. That doesn't really look terrible bad. Let's see what the other side looks like. That side looks even better. So I don't know what I was feeling. Don't matter. We're putting a new one in. And this one takes a P369, reading it upside down. Got that from Napa right there. Clean your bores out. I like to take a round brush on drill. Doesn't hurt any. Clean that up, make everything fit back in without a bind. And going back in, you can have that zerk in there. It doesn't interfere then. Boy, I think this one's a little beefier U-joint. Get that in there, get this cap on. Give her a little start with the cap. And you want to kind of press it in there straight. Otherwise you can have all sorts of grief. Let's hit that other cap. Then you get the other cap, and I went a touch too far. There we go. When you set the second cap on, you want it to slide in there a ways because the You gotta get that bore on there straight. If you don't get it on there ways, it'll knock these needles over, and that just is not good. Not for a good day. Started there a little bit. I'll press her in there always. I'm going to slip our snap ring in. Make sure that's seated in there. And press her in a little more. You can kind of tell when you got an even exposure in between the caps that you're probably about where you need to be. Then we'll slide the other snap ring in there. Helps if you hold your tongue out a little. And right now, that just doesn't feel too bad. I usually give a little tap like that to seat the cap back against the snap ring. I think that feels all right. There you are. Quick little tutorial on the U-joints. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much.